Meta's Quest 2 virtual reality headset is undoubtedly the most popular VR headset on the market. In my opinion, it's the crowning achievement of VR to date, combining all the necessary components into one well-rounded, affordable package that is perfect for anyone who wants to get into VR for the first time. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this VR set and see what's in the box. Wow, look, lots to discover in this VR headset: a silicone cover for the facial interface, two Quest 2 touch controllers, two AA batteries, a power adapter, a glasses spacer, and a charging cable. Quest 2 weighs 17.7 ounces and measures 4.0 by 7.5 by 5.6 inches height, width, depth, without the strap, making it more compact and lighter than its predecessor. The resolution of the image seen to each eye has increased to 1920 by 1832 pixels thanks to the headset. Its exterior is composed of light gray matte plastic. There are many more features of the Meta Quest 2, and we've outlined some of its highlights here. You may also check today's price and complete specifications through the link in the description. The Quest 2 uses the same Guardian system as its predecessor, which lets you draw boundaries around your play space so the headset can warn you if you're about to step out of the designated area. The head tracking remains very accurate, with the headset's 4 cameras constantly scanning the area. In a nutshell, considering the picture, quality, comfort, sound quality, value for money, and battery life, the performance score is 9.6 out of 10. After analyzing longtime users' feedback and comments posted on different e-commerces, we found that consumers are delighted about being lightweight and comfortable fit, accurate motion tracking, and optional PC tethering with an accessory cable. On the other hand, the user is dissatisfied with its low battery life. Thanks for watching. We'll be back with more shopping advice soon, so stay tuned.